Good morning, everyone. It's day 4 of harvest, and it is Sunday, so we're headed to church.
Yay!
Yay!
Yay! We're walking into church. Look at that beautiful church.
So this is how he does it. He gets his drone out. He stops the combine with a little bit left to go. Then he gets his nifty controller out.
Alright, gotta get the door. I put the drone on top of the combine. Oh, I gotta start it. So the drone is turned on. I'm powering on the remote.
I can't see if I got it. Yep.
I stay out here until I get the drone up away from the combine, and then I can get back in the cab. Connecting, turning the app on. Connecting the drone. Launching the drone, turning the engines on, lift off. Alright, now we can get back in out of the dust.
Okay.
The heat. Watch your leg. Oh, you got something. Alright, so now I've got the drone up there and I've got the video on the controller. And
There's his drone.
you see it?
Yeah, that's right there.
Alright, so I'm going to put it on tracking mode.
There it is.
And normally it's sitting on the seat that you're sitting on.
Well, I can hold it.
Record, and I'm going to lock on, show this part. So I hit record, and I'm going to select the combine like that, and it says go, and I hit go, and now the drone is following the combine, and I'm going to let you hold that.
So I can hit all these buttons over here and it's not going to do anything.
Oh gosh.
I'm just kidding. There you go, and there's the drone. Right there. It's going to follow us. And we're moving.
was over like this.
Oh,
Let's try that.
yeah. So Sandy and I were sitting over by the cart while Chris finished opening this bean field, and then all of a sudden he just stopped and was sitting over here, and we couldn't figure out what was going on. So I walked around this part of the field, and he said the head wouldn't stay down on the ground; it kept raising back up. Now he thinks we see the problem. Flip that back that way.